Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing permissions and confirming compatibility. Open Settings and check Android version and the app's app info. Older or heavily customized systems change storage rules. Grant explicit storage and media permissions to the app. Tap Permissions, allow files and media. Once done, use a file manager to navigate to the folder and copy its exact path. This prevents accidental targets. These actions fix most access blocks by removing permission and path errors before deeper fixes. Next, address ownership in Android scoped storage. If you have a DB access, connect and open a DB shell to inspect file ownership. For rooted devices, run chown and chmod to set correct owner and permissions. If not rooted, use the Storage Access Framework, SAF. Let the app request a folder URI and grant long-term access. Also, consider migrating files to the app's private directory or media store. Once changed, the system will allow normal use without constant permission prompts. Finish by stabilizing the fix and cleaning residual issues. Clear the app cache and, if necessary, app data or reinstall to refresh storage tokens. Make sure to re-grant permissions after reinstall. If the folder is on an SD card, confirm its format. Adoptable storage grants app-level access while portable can block it. If the problem persists, run the SAF grant flow again and capture logcat errors. That single troubleshooting tip, check logcat for specific denial codes, quickly reveals the remaining cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.